Next is a passage. This passage is easy as the idea of multitasking and related concerns have been explained in a simple language. The questions asked, except for question 66, which is a tone question, are direct inferences from the passage. They should have been a definite attempt, considering the relatively less complexity of the passage and the questions, as well as the length of the passage. The passage had 3 questions. Let us look at the questions. Question number 64 is a specific idea question. Brodmann area 10 has been mentioned in paragraph 4, line 5. It clearly states that the flow of blood to this region increases during multitasking. But does it facilitate or hinder multitasking is not clear. We can reject options C and D hence. Option A talks about human characteristics which is beyond the scope of the passage. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Passage says mysterious and exciting when referring to this particular area, hence esoteric. Question number 65 asks for an incorrect inference. From question number 64, we know A is incorrect. Whether Brodmann area 10 facilitates or hinders multitasking is not clear from the passage at all. And option A talks about frontal cortex, whereas this should be Brodmann area 10. Hence, A is an incorrect inference. Look at option number B. Option number B is an inference deduced from the paragraphs which talk about Merois and Mayer. This is a correct inference. Hence, it cannot be my answer. Multitasking and marijuana, these are two facts which are discussed in para 3 and para 2 respectively. Hence, C and D also cannot be least likely to be inferred. Hence, the answer is A. If you look at question 66, this is a tone question. Throughout the passage, author presents statistics and facts which look at multitasking in a negative light. He is critical of multitasking. The only synonym of critical available in the options is captious. Hence option C. Make sure you find the meaning of all the remaining words if you don't know them.